Oh, ang aga bro ah. Pagod na pagod ka.
Di pa pala ako late.
Welcome to Asia Baptist Bible College, preparing God's people for God's Word. It started in 1973 by Dr. Boyd Lyons at Manila Baptist Bible College, and was later called Asia Baptist Bible College in 1990.
Our school offers programs and courses designed to equip you with knowledge, wisdom, and character to fulfill your calling.
This includes Bachelor of Arts in Theology, Bachelor of Arts in Christian Education, Graduate of Theology, Graduate of Christian Education, and a Certificate of Practical Church Ministry.
I found
My spiritual home
at ABBC
where God's Word comes alive.
powerful ways.
I've grown in faith
wisdom,
and leadership.
Through its supportive community.
Biblical teaching.
I'm Samuel.
I'm Dian.
I'm Zara. We are from Myanmar. All nationalities are welcome in this school.